I don't know where I'm going, but I feel like I've been here before.
Your coffee, ma'am. Pretty intense, right?
What if I told you that the short film you just watched
Wasn't made with a big Hollywood budget, expensive cameras, or even a huge crew. In fact, it wasn't made by humans at all. Meet Abacus AI that has been making waves lately, and their WAN 2.5 model is a game changer. Forget spending weeks shooting, editing, or spending thousands of dollars. Now you can type an idea, and within minutes, you've got a film. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. You can create your own films with nothing more than your imagination. So let's dive in. Part 1. Concept and story. The first step is always the story. Keep it simple. 5 scenes are enough for a 50-second short film. In my case, I wrote the future cafe, a woman, a robot, a cup of coffee. That's all you need. Part 2. Image generation. Next, I turn those story beats into prompts. First, log into ChatLLM. This is your creative command center, where ideas transform into reality. Click on Image option. Abacus is providing you a bunch of image generation model. I am going with Nano Banana, a powerful image generation model. Now, select the number of images. I want to create 2 images at a time so I can pick the best one. Here's my first scene prompt, cafe scene. Make sure to turn on this option to get AI modified results. Now click Generate. It will take a little time to process. And boom! The result is here. And it's incredible. I can feel the futuristic vibe. I'm choosing this one. Next, we need to generate the following image. Just follow the same process to create all the images. Here's the woman at the table. And next is the robot waiter serving coffee. I think the outfit has changed. No worries. Just click here and select the Edit option. Then, ask the AI to change the outfit to a V-neck black t-shirt, and the edit is done. Even you can change the image ratio also. Notice how each image is cinematic, wide shots, close-ups, lighting details. The more visual your words, the better the AI understands your scene. Part 3. Video with WAN 2.5. Once the images are ready, need to generate video. Click More in the bottom toolbar and select Video General. This opens up your gateway to unlimited creative possibilities. Now comes the fun part, choosing your AI model. You'll see a list of the most advanced video generation models on the planet. This is what makes WAN 2.5 revolutionary. You can generate high-quality speaking content from any photo. Start by uploading your first image as the starting frame. In the prompt field, describe your vision and simply add dialogue to generate a video with voiceover in one go. No additional tools, no extra effort. Enable Modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. Give seed number. This lets the AI enhance your description for even better results. Set the resolution to 1080p for crystal clear quality and choose your duration, anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds of pure visual storytelling. Select aspect ratio as 16:9 as cinematic. Hit Generate and watch the magic happen. The AI is now analyzing your prompt, understanding the image, and creating every frame from scratch.
A quiet night in the city, but some stories are about to awaken.
The result is absolutely mind-blowing. The camera movement and effect feels strikingly real. The voiceover is added in the video perfectly. Let's try to generate the second scene. Just follow the same process. Here, add the prompt and dialogue according to the scene, and click Generate. After 20 seconds, you will get amazing result.
I don't know where I'm going, but I feel like I've been here before.
WAN 2.5 produces high-quality videos full of emotion, motion, and cinematic flair. You can turn any photo into speaking content with perfectly matched background music, all in one seamless pass. Next, create all the videos using the same step-by-step process. Part 4. Editing and storytelling. For editing, I'm using Filmora. Now that you have all your video clips, drop them into the editor. You don't even need to add background music or sound effects, because WAN 2.5 already provides everything you need for a stunning video. I'm just editing to bring all the scenes together. Click Export. Here is the final result.
A quiet night in the city, but some stories are about to awaken.
I don't know where I'm going, but I feel like I've been here before.
Your coffee, ma'am. Enjoy your night.
What is this? I can see.
This is just the beginning. The future is mine to create.
WAN 2.5 delivers cinematic quality with natural motion, perfect audio sync, and attention to detail that the others simply can't match. This isn't just better, it's in a completely different league. And that's it. From a single idea to a fully realized short film, made entirely with Abacus AI. Imagine the stories you can tell. A love story, a thriller, a comedy. Your imagination is the only limit. If you found this video inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what short film would you create with AI? Until next time, happy creating!